na sinalubong ng mga tagahanga si pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang pagbisita sa MGM Grand sa Las Vegas, Nevada. At dahil ilang araw na lang bago ang laban niya kay Sugar Shane Mosley, lalong puspusan ang ensayo ni Pacman. Mula sa Las Vegas, Nevada, nakatutok si James Velasquez.
Hindi magkamayawan daan-daang boxing fans sa MGM Grand ang makita si Manny Pacquiao sa kanyang grand welcome dito sa Las Vegas, Nevada. Bata o matanda, Pilipino man o hindi, iisa lang ang isinisigaw. Meron pang Filipina dance group para sumalubong kay Pacman. Nabuhayan din ang lahat ng biglang bumanat ng hip-hop and traditional dance group. Kanya-kanyang opinion ng mga boxing fans dito sa MGM Grand Arena kung sino mananalo. Ang bilis ba ni Pacquiao o lakas si Mosley? Ang mga Pinoy, pambato siyempre pambansa kamao.
Manny's gonna win! All the way! Yeah.
Mosley's too old. Look how he got tired with Floyd. Manny's faster.
Ang pound for pound king, marami rin pala tagahangang kano.
I like Pacquiao. Yeah. Well, just cause he's been winning for so long, and I think Mosley's a little burned out after so many fights, especially after Mayweather.
Taking Pacquiao all day.
Why do you think he's going to win?
He's the man. He's the man. He got the right hand. Right hand. Right hand. Right hand.
What about Mosley? He said he put on a good training.
Mosley's on his decline of his career, man. He's on the incline. So I'm taking Pacquiao.
Fearless prediction.
Fourth round Pacquiao.
Hindi naman nagpatinag ang Mosley fans.
Mosley goes after him. He's a fighter. He's a strong fighter. He's not afraid of anybody. Manny's got excuses all up and down on why he doesn't want to fight somebody. Mosley will get in there no matter what. That's why he has a fight with Mayweather already. Too big, too strong, too good.
Pagkatapos ng grand welcome, diretso sa gym si Manny. Ang kanyang in and out at lateral movements sa ibabaw ng ring, malakidlas sa bilis. Mahalaga raw ito para hindi tamaan ang power puncher na si Mosley.
Yun ang focus namin, yung speed and foot speed
focus natin sa training natin.
Sakali man tama ng kinatatakutang body shot ni Mosley, nakahanda ng sumalo si Pacman. Ipinakita pa niya ang batak niyang katawan na resulta ng intensified core training.
Talagang pinaghandaan natin mabuti. Ready tayo.
Mula sa Las Vegas, Nevada, James Velasquez sa katuto, 24 oras.